I was going to start a painting today because I want to do a long form video of my process and going through the whole entire thing, kind of step by step. But unfortunately, I have skylights and my skylights are going to do this to me. I'm gonna let them see if I can move this over here. Nope, that's worse. Okay. All right. Not really sure where to go right now. I'll just sit right on the edge of reason. So I decided that it might make a cool video if I showed you what my tiny 10 by 10 art/painting room looks like, so that you can kind of get an idea of how little space I have to move around, and you can see the barely controlled chaos within my cave of wonder. And what I'm going to do to make it a lot better. So this is going to be kind of a makeover of my art room video. And I want to try and make it so it's organized and not the chaos that my life sometimes is. Maybe it will reflect on the rest of my existence, and we'll see. We'll see. It's baby steps. It's always baby steps. So I'm going to take you into my art room. This could be a really embarrassing moment for me. I'm actually kind of mortified. So let's go. Okay. There's the entryway. All right, so here we have, oh look, spray paint rack. Those are actually organized, that's nice. And painting mediums and so on and so forth. No organization there. Let's just look down. There's my oil painting palette and, oh, trash. Yep, that's a really neat corner. Lots of clutter, love it. Oh, we'll skip that for a second. We'll end with the closet. There's, oh look, studio lighting, and my easel is right there. Yep, that tapestry is just kind of hanging by a tack. Oh, supplies. That's a table, paper towel, supplies that I just got in, which I'm actually very excited to show you in the next video. More supplies. Oh, let's look behind this door, shall we? Okay, yep, more crap on the floor. Cool. I'm so tidy. So this is the tiniest space ever to try and do, and that's a closet. Yep, there's a bear. I think it sings. I'm not sure. It's like a junk closet, really. That's where a whole bunch of stuff that doesn't even belong in this room goes. There might, oh yeah, there's some clothes hanging in there. A level. Everyone needs a giant level. And more crap. Chair, taking up space. How am I gonna make this better? Oh, I've got plans, people. Yeah, what do you think? It's a shithole. So I'm gonna get started, and I have to take all of that crap out of that room. Well, that might take a while, but I'm gonna do it, and you're gonna see this progress, and you're gonna see how it unfolds, and it's gonna be amazing. My inner interior decorator is gonna come out, and I'm gonna have my personal aesthetic like you wouldn't believe. Everyone's gonna be shocked. It's gonna be shock and awe. All right, I'm gonna get started on this. Every remote I've ever had. Just like your average girl, I like to keep my orbital sander in a closet. Drill bit set. Actually, I've been looking for this. I don't know why I didn't think to look with the beach towels. Does that make sense? Drop cloth. just continue to destroy my floor. Okay, so good, we're recording. All right, so I've pretty much gotten this closet cleaned out, and my goal here is to kind of make it my art supply closet so that it's not just everywhere. When I stand like this, it makes my arm look really huge. It's like skinny arm, big arm. Alright, so I've got, you can hear the echo because there's nothing in this room now, but I've got everything cleared out of here, and I'm going to trip over the vacuum cord because it wouldn't be me if there wasn't some clumsiness happening. Okay, so here I am. I'm sitting on the floor. So I'm going to paint, and I got what I think is a pretty cool color. It's like a purpley gray, but you know what it's called? Sleepy Hollow. And I know you probably shouldn't buy paint just because of the name, but I'm going with it. I'm gonna roll with it. Yeah, so I know you probably can't see the actual shade. It looks really kind of like pinky purple in this. As I gaze at the screen here, it looks pinky purple, but it's actually a purple gray. It's wax on, wax off. My lovely assistant right there. It was day two here. So the walls are all painted, and now the trim needs to be done, and the closet doors, hired help there. I'm not paying you, just so you know.
Yes,
you are getting nothing.
Okay.
You're working for free. I'll feed you later.
Well, not the entire tooth. The diamond inset, left lateral incisor. It left a distinct mark on the skull.
So someone inserts here with a diamond in his tooth.
God, I used to do yoga. Let's just use this foot for this one. Very Hello! Okay, so this concludes this video. I am really happy with the way this room turned out. It's organized. I've got my paints where they belong. My closet is organized. I've got all my art supplies, my mediums and everything in there. And it's nice to have kind of a homey space where I can paint, have my trinkets, my little decorations that make it more aesthetically me. And I don't know, it's nice. I'm glad the paint worked out too, because I went with the name, not the color necessarily, so it just so happened that it happens to be one of my favorite colors, purple. That worked out. Sleepy Hollow, love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I love you guys, each and every one of you. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. I will be doing a painting for my next video, and I'm really excited about it because I love experimentation, and that is exactly what I'm gonna do. So I will see you next time. Bye. Think about cleaning out closets is that you always find unexpected treasures, like this book I wrote at the tender age of 8 called Two Mice and a Mole. This is where I keep all of my secret wonders. Charles Adams' Mother Goose. Oh, I am definitely putting this on my bookshelf. Well, it's time to get cracking with the orbital sander. Unfortunately, I have not been able to locate my safety goggles or my sanding masks. So it's gonna be a unicorn mask and Ray-Bans. Open this door all the way. There's a shirt on there.